Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. Also, you need to turn off the water to the refrigerator. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the filter bypass assembly in a GE refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new filter bypass assembly. The filter bypass assembly allows you to use ice and water without the internal water filter. For example, if you have a whole house water filtering system and don't need an additional refrigerator water filter, the bypass is installed instead of the water filter. To get to the part, we need to open the left side door. The filter is located behind this panel. To open it, we need to push right here at the bottom. Then we can lift up the door, and I'm gonna lift up on the filter, rotate it, and then pull. If you're not gonna rotate the filter up far enough, you won't be able to pull it out. So now we're gonna install the filter bypass assembly in. It has a sign front, and it says here back. So we're gonna install it this way. Lift up the door, insert the bypass assembly, push it in, and push it down to lock. It will lock in automatically. Then we can close the cover. Now we can close the door. Plug the fridge in, open the water, and check if there are any leaks. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.